Welcome back, you guys. I'm your host, as always, Romando, and today we're going to take a step back of the new Super Mario Bros. U. I know I got a game over last session that we played this, but I thought I'd give it another shot. I thought we'd give it another shot, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of Luigi. Yes, I'm going to get rid of Luigi, and we are going to play as Mario.
Oh.
So, let's go ahead and start all over.
Okie dokie.
Because I thought I'd give this video game another chance, and we go ahead and go back to play Mario. So yeah, my intention was to go ahead and play as Mario this time. Hopefully we can actually beat the game as Mario. So I hope you guys enjoy this, that we do a reboot. Because I've been doing some thinking, and again, since I got a game over last time with Luigi, I thought we'd give it another try. Go with Mario. So let's see. Let's see how we do with Mario.
Let's go.
Alright. Hey, that wasn't my intention, but I'll take it. I'm missing a coin. Yeah, I bet you it was one of those pipes. There's a bunch of pipes in the back, and I bet you I missed those pipes. Nevertheless. Nevertheless, we did it.
go.
Sorry. No big deal. Missing the point again. What the hell are you doing down there? I feel like I missed the point, you know? I missed the middle coin last time, I think. I don't know, I did the last time. I could be wrong. I don't remember. Oh well.
Oh yeah, Mario time. Yeah. Let's go. What? No. What? It's go time. Yahoo!